Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Paddle Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's quick little video is another Comparo type video, just for fun. I have an AutoArt 1/64 scale Volkswagen new Beetle Cup RSI sitting next to a Hot Wheels 2006 new Beetle Cup treasure hunt. And it's quite a difference here in the scale and proportions and the overall image of both and details. So we'll go ahead here and take a look at them. We'll first start with the AutoArt. I think this is all over plastic. I think the body and the base is plastic. Yeah, it is. I just dismounted this for the first time. I've owned this for years and years, probably 10 years. Dismounted this off the base. I had not realized that it might be metal. Let me see. Yeah, I guess the body is metal, but the base, just like the Lamborghini I'd reviewed recently, the base is plastic. Lots of detail on the underside. The casting, wow, look at all the detail on that. That's crazy. The 18-inch Aristo wheels are the mold they used for them. They're really impressive. Lots of detail on all those spokes. The exhaust looks real. I mean, if you could see this in person, it looks really impressive. The exhaust tips, the way they're coming out of there. The tail light lenses could be a little bit better, but they do pop. We have separate mold pieces for both wings on the back. The mirrors look great. We have a windshield banner, which I love windshield banners. Don't see that enough. I have a feeling, mark my words, 2019 going into 20, that's going to be played out. I have a feeling a lot of Hot Wheels especially is going to be throwing on windshield banners. They're going to be throwing on everything. I just have a feeling of that, but that's okay with me. I like them. Detailing in the front, like all down in here, the grills are really impressive. These are a pretty rare car. I've never seen one in person, and it would be awesome to have one. The famous YouTuber Salamandrin, whatever his name is, went to Mexico and picked up a silver one of these on his YouTube channel. Really, they sound amazing. It's basically a race car for the street. So we'll go ahead here and take a look at the Hot Wheels version. Pretty much, as you can see, it's a lot bigger than the AutoArt. I mean, if you put it like that, it almost hides behind the Hot Wheels. It's pretty amazing. Fenders look nice and fat. This one, being a treasure hunt, has the rubber tires. Metal, but it has a plastic base. Dated 2001. They did make a whole bunch of colors. I looked on eBay. I thought I had a silver one here in my collection. Apparently I did not. This one in particular, this is a pearl white with like a royal blue treatment. Sad thing is, you can get these treasure hunts now. I've seen them on there for $5–10 on eBay, and I think it's pretty cool. I like it with the orange wheels and rubber tires. I think it's all right. Not a lot of details compared to the AutoArt. Like, if you compare the fronts, if I get my big hands out of the way, not a lot going on with the Hot Wheels, obviously, but it's just interesting to see two companies' renditions, I think, next to each other. Pretty fun video for me to do, and I think you guys seem to respond pretty well to these videos. We all don't, none of us really take it serious. We know the AutoArt is obviously always going to be more detailed than any Hot Wheels car, but it's just fun for all parties involved, so to speak, to take a look. And some of you guys have wrote to me and said you never knew AutoArt made 1/64 scale cars. They didn't very long, that's for sure. And if you do a search on eBay, there was not many that they made, but they're all really well done, the ones that are out there. And you can score like that Murcielago. I looked, and you can get them for $5 and $10 range on eBay. So I highly recommend them. I didn't look for the Beetle. I'm not sure how rare that really is. Honestly, wasn't looking. I was just looking for Lamborghini recently. But so there you go. Quick comparison of the Hot Wheels versus AutoArt new Beetle Cup. And I think they're both pretty freaking cool. And you know I'm a sucker for Volkswagen stuff. And till next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.